Welcome to Import Data tutorial. Download more tutorials from nirvanatech.com. This tutorial will show how to import data into application. On clicking this button, you can import data using CSV file. CSV file is a simple text file with all values separated by commas. Select the CSV file containing data. On selecting the file, a data preview table will open. Select the character used to separate the data. Enter the number of lines to be skipped and specify if first row is header or not. You can select which item is in which column. Thus, you may have your data stored in any format. Select column in which part name is stored. Similarly, specify columns for remaining items. Rotation is allowed for all, so select expression and enter default value. If you always store your data in this form, then you can save the settings as default, so that next time you don't have to rearrange again. Let us import stock details. The stocks can be imported into the stocks table from the database integrated with the package. Click on Import Stocks from Database. Select the stocks you want to import and click OK. The selected stocks will appear in the stocks table. To edit inventory details, click on Manage Inventory. You can either enter details manually or import inventory database into the package using the CSV file. To add a non-rectangular part from a DXF file, go to Shapes table. To import a single DXF, click this button. Feed the required part name and quantity for that part and click Add. You can import multiple DXF files by clicking this button. In this dialog, there are two options for importing files. Import the file list and select DXF files. Click Add after you have selected all the DXF files. Now you can optimize the job. This finishes the tutorial. For more information, visit our website nirvanatech.com. Thank you.